we're doing something that sounds very tasty, and it's called buffalo chicken micro tacos. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever been to Jack in the Box and gotten their little mini tacos. You get a whole container of them. Those are pretty good, but this is even better because it is going to be a keto version. So really, it's keto buffalo chicken micro tacos. Whew, that's a mouthful. Come on in close and I'll show you all the stuff. Okay, so thunder and lightning happened all last night. It's pouring all day today. It's a great day to be indoors cooking. I have to tell you, I love it. Of course, my puppy doesn't want to go outside and go to the bathroom, but other than that, it's kind of cool. I love the rain. So anyway, these are the ingredients. You got some canned chicken breast, and don't worry, the recipe's down below in the description box. Got some cream cheese, some Mexi blend cheese, generic hot sauce, and I'm going to add taco seasoning to the recipe because I'm using taco seasoning just to give it more kick. So this all ought to be pretty good. You're going to need a muffin top tin. I don't know if you've ever seen these, but they basically, if you like, it's crazy. Muffin tops. So the tops of muffins are the best part. So they made a pan so you could just make the tops of muffins. Anyway, you're going to need one of these. If not, you could probably pull it off with a regular cupcake tin, okay? But let's get started. I just ordered these from Amazon. They're silicone. I absolutely love them. I got them in a pack of 2. So let's get started. So first you want to get this ready because you could make the mixture while this is melting and in the oven for just a mere few minutes, all right? So first thing you want to do, you just want to get this nice and close so you're not dropping cheese everywhere. Okay, make sure you got a nice, kind of a healthy bit of cheese. Just just cover the bottom, that's all you want. Just cover the bottom. All right, so you're going to pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for 4 minutes. Should just melt them and give you a base for your micro tacos, okay? All right, so first thing I'm going to do is, see, here's all my chicken. I'm going to throw it in this bowl. And then I'm going to break up the chicken with my fingers, or you can use a fork. Get that all broken up. So your chicken's going to kind of look like that, okay? All right, now take your cream cheese. And this is just a single batch, so you'll probably want to double this if you really like this recipe. Throw your cream cheese in. Got a little taco seasoning. Throw that in. And then your hot sauce. Pour that in. And mix that all up. There we go. So far so good. Leave the oven on, okay? Do not turn your oven off because I'm using this cookie sheet to keep it flat and sturdy. All right? So you're going to take your mixture, take a spoonful of it. You're going to fill half the, well, I probably should let it cool a little bit first. Hold on. We're going to let this cool a little bit first. Okay, guys, so the hard part's coming. So we're going to take our stuffing with a spoon and fill half the circles like that. So you can stuff, if you see I got stuffing on half the circles. The other half has nothing, okay? So I'm going to show you what I need you to do to each circle. And you have to wait till it's fully, completely cooled. It's just, I've been trying. Doesn't work unless the cheese below is fully solidified. So you're going to lift up here. I got the silicone one. You may need a spatula, one of those little tiny rubber ones. And then you're going to press down here like that. It's going to get a little oily, a little greasy. But that's what you want to do, okay? Do that with each one. Then we're going to put them back in the oven. So let's do that right now. There we go. There we go. It's all working out good. I like the silicone ones because it lets me lift without breaking the cheese. Then we're going to take half over. Then we're going to do that. And you press it down and it pops right back into place. Okay? Do that with each and every one. And then back in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Oh, look at that. Looks so much better. Like 2 minutes under the broiling flame. It worked perfect. Okay, guys. These look good. They smell good. I've already put a second batch in the oven. That's how positive I am on these. I haven't even tried it yet. I snuck a little taste of the stuffing, but let's try it all together. This is the best looking one here. A little crispy. Got the stuffing. Here we go. That hot sauce. Wow. Yeah, guys. That's amazing. That's a surprise. I know this video is going to do good. I know people are going to like this recipe. Recipes down below, the single version, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode.